buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently bright golden day? Oh my gosh, I think I have to even adjust the ND on this camera. I am finally changing the golden brakes on my golden 370Z. But first of all, cold start. Oh, so good. So there's a massive problem. So I just asked for permission at our leasing office for the apartment, and they said it was not allowed because I didn't want to just start. I know that sometimes they say it's easier to apologize than to get permission first, but I didn't want to just I didn't want to just do that, and so I asked them, and they said that it's not allowed, that it's considered mechanic work. And so I have to figure out a way to do this. So I guess I'm gonna be driving to the canyons because no one is pretty much there. But unfortunately, it's like an hour away from where I am. So yep, this is turned into a road trip, but it's gonna be fine. So maybe I can test the brakes there. If they work or if they don't work, maybe I can slide up the canyons. Okay, so I just arrived at the Angeles National Forest as usual. So good, so golden, but I still need to change these brakes. I've watched a few tutorial videos online, but to be honest, I don't even have service here. So that's a disaster because I cannot reach back to them for any advice or anything. And so I'm gonna have to do this all by myself. And the worst part is that I want to test it, but on the canyons. And so, yeah, if the brakes are not completely well done and I test it, then So I think these are all the tools I'm going to need. Brake cleaner, of course, to clean the brakes. Jack of some sorts. What's it called? A screwdriver set. More screwdrivers. A flathead. What's it called? The brake pads, of course, and some grease. The first step, of course, is taking off the tires. So while making this video, I just realized that I didn't refer you guys, or I didn't really list any steps for changing the brakes. So for you guys that want to know that, I'll leave a link in the description below because there's a guide that I found the tutorials on how to do it, and I think he pretty much did the best job possible. Better than any way I would try to describe it, because this was my first time ever changing brakes, and so I didn't want to mess anything up, so I just had to just zip it and just do it, if that made sense. But I'll leave a link in the description, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's head back to the video. One is finally done. The sun is going down. It's pretty much almost gone completely. I have about 30 minutes and 4 more left. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do 4. Maybe I might do 2 first, and then I'll do the remaining 2 later on, but let's see what happens. It is now super dark. I finally changed the 2 front brake pads, but I do not know I don't know exactly how this is gonna work or how I'm gonna even test this, because there's mountains and any mistake I make, I'm gonna pretty much be gone. And I don't have any service, so I can't even call anyone to come and get me if anything happens. So it got too cold and also too dark, and so that's why I'm not gonna be able to finish the brake installation tonight. But I've done the first 2. I'll do the remaining 2 tomorrow, hopefully by the grace of God. And so, oh my gosh, I'm so scared right now. I'm starting. Oh gosh, it feels weird. The pedal feels weird. Oh God, please, 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 let this not. I don't know if my fronts are even working. That's the funny part. But so far, oh, these roads are amazing. But I'm just too scared to even do anything. But this, just look at this. Oh, this is the best view in the world. So good. I can just see the whole of LA. Oh my God. So I survived. I drove an hour back to my apartment. And so, yeah. With that, I will see you guys tomorrow. So 3, 2, 1, bye. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this golden day? Ooh, day 2 Time to head to the Angeles Crest Highway, drive for about an hour just to change my brakes.
Wake up early and the birds are tweeting. Now normally I would return to sleep and I wouldn't even dream of leaving my bed. It would need to be dragged out kicking and screaming. But for some reason today is different. I don't know why, but I just feel energized. Ideas fly into my mind, so I jump out my bed and I pick up a pen and write. I've been trying this one for a fortnight, but every time it just comes out poorly. But now the words seem to form perfectly and the song virtually writes itself for me. Within an hour the whole thing is finished, but I need a singer to complete the hook. And we ain't got Nina, so Charlena's gonna explain why I'm feeling good.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
Finally, I'm done. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of thorns. Ow. And boom, this place is as tidy as it was. So again, if you're ever changing your brakes in the canyons or anything, leave the place tidy. So a big part in testing if brakes works is to see, or of like testing the whole brake process is after I'm done changing, it's to pretty much take it around corners and let's see if it brakes well. Yeah, so far so good. Because we need to heat up the pads, get them heated up as much as possible, let them cool, heat them up, let them cool again. I think the process is called bedding. Pretty much just to get the brakes all prepared and ready for complete use. But people are in my way, get out of my way! Oh, these roads are amazing. Woo. Oh, slow down. Yep, and then speed up again. Pretty much, that's what I'm going to do. Pretty much heat up the brake pads, let them cool again by braking well. Oh, that was good. And this is the best place to do this. Slow down again. Well, it worked really well. Everything in my car is just flying, just left, right, center. This is so much fun. Now I'm gonna let them cool, so I'm now gonna use my engine to brake instead of using my brake pads. I'm gonna let them cool for a while and then repeat the process like 2 or 3 times, and we're golden. Engine brake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video. And yeah, I will catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive.
It's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Wake up late on a Sunday midday. Girlfriend's taking all of the duvet. I nudge her and she ain't budging, but she looks so comfy that I don't begrudge it. I wonder, is she gonna wake up soon? I'm hungry, so I go to leave the room, but she jumps me.